How do you build a global empire from a single battery? By fusing the chemistry of the cell with the architecture of the car and becoming the world's leading force in electric mobility. This manufacturer looked at global car makers and decided that vertical integration was not an advantage to pursue, but the only way forward, and now makes millions of electric vehicles a year. Welcome to Sovereign Brands. The automotive industry operates on a principle scale means complexity. You buy from specialists, you outsource the battery, the motor, the software, and you piece them together. The most invincible brand chose both scale and depth. They understood future is electric and the need to build in house. While its competitors were fighting with suppliers and legacy manufacturers were drowning in layers, BYD was tightening its grip on the entire supply chain. BYD did not choose between scale and sustainability. They chose to build for the billions of people who need mobility and who were never going to wait for the price to come down. BYD made the thing actually affordable by making it all by themselves. Not let's make sustainable products, but let's control the entire value chain so we can make sustainable products at the scale that actually changes the world. Competitors can copy the car, they cannot copy the integration, they cannot match the cost. They cannot move as fast. That's BYD's sovereign mode. Next, we go from the brand that conquered through integration to one that conquered through simplicity. A brand that made the most rigorous thing in the world, learning, feel effortless. In Sovereign Brands, episode 14. Stay tuned.